check out the starlings, folks. See the nut ball? See the nut ball there? Big nut thing there. And the seed is gone. We're drinking actually seed out of that tray. Oh dear. What a time for the things to get scared away. There's the other feeder over there. The table over there. Do it back, do it back. Yes, folks, that is snow. That is snow, folks. Yes, it's falling. And it's blocked the view. Ha. That's snow, folks, falling. Yeah. Not landing, but it's snow. And where are my birds? My birds taking cover, I think, again. Yes. Snow is falling. Oh, just there's the feeding table. There's another one in the corner. You can't see it on the camera. Just a quick little video. Snow in the snow. For my bedroom. Yeah, I tied up the feeder this morning as well, so let's see for that. Cooking up there. Got waiting for birdseed and nuts to be delivered. That'll be there soon. Ready to go again? Okay, thank you. Little chaffinch. Sparrows. And folks, snowing again. Little dove, pigeons, whatever you call them. What's chaffinch doing? Where's he gone? Little chaffinch, huh? I thought it's snowing again. Snowing again, Ireland. And the birds disappear. They're not going to like that snow. Feeding at the spell in snow. Ooh. Mrs. Blackbird, or is it Mr. Blackbird? Mrs. Blackbird calls. Oh, that's snow landing. Is that snow bloody landing? Is that snow bloody landing? Or is that hailstones? Not too sure. Be up now. Be up now. It's Christmas. It's Christmas time in Ireland. Oh, it's landing now, lads. You have a problem now? It's coming out here, little fucker. It's coming in here now.